create a new project, save the project, and load a saved project. Attention please! If you have not seen the video tutorial, Preparation of Docking Results Files and JADOPPT Settings, please watch it before you continue with this video tutorial. Hello and welcome to this video tutorial to create a new project, save the project, and load a saved project. In this video tutorial, we will group the docking results individually to reduce the number of items to compare and to determine which confirmations are similar across docking results. We execute JADOPPT by clicking on the BAT or SH file depending on the operating system. In this case, we are running Linux, so we execute the SH file. Once opened, we go to the menu Files, New DLG Project. This will open the window that we see right now. This window consists of the following fields. For example, clicking on the Browse button of Open File will open a window to select the folder where our DLG files are. In our case, the folder is in Desktop DLGS Maps. We select it and click on Open. As you can see, some of the fields were completed automatically by having selected the folder. These are Open File, where the path to the selected folder is. Another automatically completed field is the Working Directory, in which you write the path of where you will store the files that JADOPPT will generate to perform the analysis. We can see that at the end of the text box there is a field called Folder Name, in which the name of the folder where our DLG and map files are appears. To select another destination for the mentioned folder, we have to select the new path with the Browse button from Folder Name. On the bottom side, 4 sections appear which are Protein, Reference, Map and DLG. The last 2 are already completed because the information was taken from the DLGS Maps folder. The section of Protein is mandatory, as well as the ones for Map and DLG. The only optional section is the Reference section. We proceed selecting the protein, clicking on the button, which opens a window to select the folder where we have the protein. And we do the same thing with the references. We can select some or all the DLG files. In this case, we will select all. We repeat this procedure with the other sections. In the section Clustering Options, we can choose among different options to perform a first grouping of these results, in order to select the ones that are representatives of the group they belong to, and also to reduce the number of confirmations to analyze. By default, the grouping algorithm which does the clustering is the KRMSD with the Euclidean distance. This algorithm is similar to the used one by Autodoc tools. That is why it appears as first option. In the field marked as RMSD and with the 2.0, it is the distance that we want to discriminate. If the value is higher than 2.0, the less the KRMSD will discriminate. The 3 methods that follow are hierarchical, and the most common ones are implemented. The average, complete, and single distance. For the last 3 methods, the options of the section Observers on the right side are applied. The 3 options for the observers are the following: No observers, References as observers, References and observers. This means that the first option will not apply observers for the hierarchical grouping. The second option will take each atom of the references and convert it into an observer, and the last one will apply the map files and the atoms of the references as observers for the grouping. And finally, the option Auto-Select Representatives selects automatically representatives of the groups without asking if the groups are of our satisfaction. Usually, more than 50 DLG files are analyzed, which is why it is a good idea to have this option selected. Once convinced that we have selected the method and the files that we will analyze, we click on the OK button. A window will appear in which the progress of the file processing is shown. Once it is finished, a new window will appear to indicate that the grouping is completed. In File, Save, Session As, we save the project to work in future sessions. Also in File, Load, DLG project, we open any session we have saved previously. In this case, we reopen the project that we have created in this video tutorial. Thus, we will continue with our analysis. With this, we are ready to perform the second step, which consists in grouping the representatives of each group of the docking results. To do this, we go to the video tutorial, Settings for the comparison of representatives. Or we can explore the result of the first grouping and redefine the groups if we want to. To do this, we go to the video tutorials, Visualize docking results, first step, KRMSD or hierarchical. We hope this has been useful. See you soon.